Spartan Hair Shampoo claims to restore hair, so after trying it for a while, there are a few things to note. The packaging looks premium and the scent is quite nice, not too strong or artificial. The shampoo lathers well and gives a clean feeling after washing, but when it comes to actual hair restoration, the results aren't immediate or dramatic. Hair does feel softer and a bit healthier with consistent use, but there is no overnight miracle, and for those expecting full regrowth, it might not meet those expectations. One thing to consider is that individual results can vary. Some people might notice slight improvements in thickness and texture, while others may not see much difference at all. There were no major side effects like irritation or excessive dryness, which is a plus, but it's hard to say if it truly restores hair or just improves overall scalp health. The price is also something to think about since there are other similar products available at different price points, so whether it's worth it depends on personal expectations. Overall, it's not a bad shampoo, but it's also not some magic solution. It may work for some, while others might not see the hype.